Welcome to my channel, a place where faith fuels action and purpose drives leadership. This is not about hyping, it's about growth, discipline, and becoming unstoppable, with God at the center of it all. If you're ready to lead yourself, elevate your mindset, and crush every season with intention, then you are at the right place. My name is Ayobami, and I'm so glad to have you here today with me. Thank you so much. If you're joining us for the first time, it's really a privilege to have you here. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your, support over and over and over. Thank you. Thank you so much. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do not forget to do so that we can continuously grow and learn together. So today we'll be looking at the title or the topic that I titled How to Plan for 2026 on Purpose. Listen, 2026 is not waiting for you to feel ready. It is already moving towards you. And the truth is, if you don't plan your 2026, if you don't plan for your year will plan for you. Too many people enter a new year with hope, but no direction, dreams with no disciplines, prayers, but no structure. This year, we have to do it differently. Maybe you're asking, how can I do it differently? I'm trying, but nothing seems working. I have a good news for you. I have a good news for you. And the first good news for you is to close the year 2025 honestly. Close 2025 with honesty. Before you plan forward, you must look back. Ask yourself, what drained me in 2025? What distracted me? What did I tolerate that cost me peace? Don't pamper the past, but rather extract the lessons and let it go. Remember that unfinished pain becomes future confusion and closure creates clarity. So you have to find closure for 2025 and you need to be honest with it. And that's the first thing. The second thing is to define your 2026 word. What is that word for your 2026? I know a lot of us, are used to maybe our spiritual leaders giving us the word for the year. But you as a person, you have to have a word for your 2026. Every focused life has a central theme. One word, not a sentence, not 10 goals. One word that governs your decisions. For example, it could be discipline. Maybe this year, your own one word is to be disciplined in all that you do. Maybe for you is alignment, aligning to purpose, stopping being distracted. Maybe for you is growth, growth in your career, growth in your family, growth in your personal life. To you, it might be rest, taking time to rest, taking time to love yourself, to relax. Doing 2-5 jobs, maybe it's time for you to take a break. Make it 1, make it 2. Or maybe to go for vacation. Maybe for you is to execute. Maybe there are projects you've been abandoning over time. Just a word for the year. So what would that be for you? What is that word for your 2026? You must be able to come to terms with that. You see, when opportunities come, ask, does this serve my word? Any opportunity that comes your way in this 2026, ask that question. Does this serve my word? If not, it is a distraction. Step 3, design your life by domains. Your life is not one bucket. It is built on systems. In 2026, stop getting vague goals. Start building containers for your energy. Ask yourself, what do I want to become spiritually? What kind of health does my future require? Maybe you're in your 40s or mid 40s or 50s. What kind of health does your future require? What skills will your next level demand? What relationship deserve more intention? Remember, you don't rise by accident, you rise by alignment. Step 4 is to turn your goals into daily practices. Big visions fail without small habits. Don't ask, what do I want to be by December? But rather ask, what must I do consistently by February? Your calendar must reveal your priorities. Your habits predict your future. If it's not scheduled, then it is not serious. Number 5, build review moment. Take a break, take a pause, because life gets noisy. That's why you need checkpoints. Reflection, monthly reflections, quarterly correction. Ask often, what's working? What's draining me? What do I need to change now? You don't need a perfect year. You need an adjustable one. Remember, in 2026, it will reward you clarity. It will honor your courage. 2026 will respond to your structure. This is not the year to drift, but rather a year to decide. Plan boldly, move intentionally, live aligned. I wish every one of us a very wonderful 2026. And as we prepare and get ready, I pray that, we will have the grace and the strength to walk through the journey of 2026. See you in my next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your loved ones who need to hear this. See you in my next episode, stronger and better for 2026. Bye.